Dr. Amanwa Director ke Health Services ulong baka jingma na kejingkiu kejing pangklam kenang khamjur syu namar kata kadau ki ba ki ban ko ngo bat bu renti kendon bala batha lak sarkar kata bendeng mas ban penjangai iwe bat ban sekti habakran baglap thai khubor menta kasngi hapai rut hotel Dr. War ulayatu balada ki ba kim ko ngo bat simkhia kejing batha kan pe ka khep ha ka ba kanlong kum ha Mumbai ha Delhi haba ban tep ne thang ya ki bayap hap up ni yang lain nangta ban sim dawai ru hap up lain dap ki bon kentam habaya thu ba ka jingkiu jong ki papang covid hakini ke absence ngi kaya rengkat bat ka bakiu haki sispa khat saus ngi haus nam arajar arpo udia cha su lakan tui ki ba ban ne inject dawai banyada na ka ni jingpang walla daw la pensai ru ba hadin ba dap inject war asin ru dangla banyo ya ka ni jingpang henry ka nyarap banyada ban bet shakiwei balada yo ya kani kejingpang ru kan penduna ya kejing pencitom hadu menta ki bladap injek kilong iwei point prapulai lak ngut bat ki bapang hadin bladap injek kilong tang saus pa afnyo ngut bat kiniru ki sushita malumala kum kabak thamet nepang na jaka ba injek omdei ba kidon kiwei pat kejing sitom kum badan bapentiang.
Today a report of active cases is 134. In view of this, we have called this press conference to highlight through the medium that you represent to the public that the situation is alarming, and we have to take all necessary precautions as we did last year to arrest the number of cases and to contain this particular pandemic. All this time, even when the cases were decreasing, we had given the advisory on the 3 Ws. Wear your mask, watch your distance, and wash your hands. Those 3 are the cardinal instructions which we have issued. Hagan kejing yung bakla kejing yung barakhat ngam ong tang yung pajbak yung barakhat yung kejing bakla kejing namar wala hiar ini kikis barakhat kadang kejing hensting kejing lasting bamdan iya bat ngahit skam bangi dandok ba kumba kajas po garwes ketua election ni khamdan iya ruang hadu mentah kamdan kadang no update tigi ngit skam ba kejing ada yangi najong kaya lang nanti hakajuk po ndai ke mofi ngamla ai ban pethainya ai kata jadi ke bangi dei bande ke kam min sai le kam na pok health department. Given the publicity regarding the vaccination, we have also clearly mentioned that in spite of being vaccinated, there is every possibility that you can still be infected. That infection may not show in your body, but it will spread to others. That is why the 3 cardinal things which I told you, the 3 Ws, that stands. Even after you've completed your vaccination, even after you've completed your second dose.